How to become a seller on Temu. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily become a seller on the Temu app. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and then simply search for Temu seller, or you could just search for Temu seller account. And you'll see the first link is a partner platform from Temu. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll be taken directly to the partners platform website. So here you have an option to sign into your account. Now, if this is the first time you're trying to do this, you're going to have to click on the sign up button or just tap on this no account sign up now. Once you tap on this, you're going to have to enter your email address and then just enter a password. Once you've created your password, just go ahead and tap on the send verification code. It will send a verification code on your email. You just have to wait for it and then just enter the code here. So here I've gotten the code. I'm just going to go ahead and paste the code and then tap on create. Now you're just going to have to go ahead and choose what type of vendor you're going to be. So let's just tap on independent software vendor or an application seller. Tap on next. Now all you have to do here is enter all of your business information, then your administration information, and you're going to have to verify with a certain kind of ID. So enter your partner name, business registration information, and fill out all of these descriptions. Tap on next, and then from here the next step is for the administrator information, and then finally the verification. So that's how you basically become a seller on Temu. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.